Hello, Clearbrook, North Dallas, finishing up a 2021 and a half, I guess, Tesla model Plaid, full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, full tint, XPEL XR Plus, windshield done in 70, side doors in 30, back in 15%, and as always, like we do, getting our edges super tight, coming around to the back in 15%. And still looking at our wrap as well. We'll go over that. And that's about that. And then we topped it off with a ceramic coating to keep that nice and durable and shiny. So here we go. Let's take a look at the wrap. XPEL Ultimate Plus film. 10-year guarantee on that. Our installation warranty is the life of the car, as long as you are the owner. The window film, also in writing, is the lifetime, and it's a transferable item, and we do free replacement one time on any window should you damage it. Obviously the warranty covers things, and essentially you're the only person with no coverage, so we cover you guys on damage in your tint. So here we go, full wrap. So locking in all our edges, that's our big key. Locking everything in and around, coming around, everything wrapped. All these edges here wrapped in, so when you have rocks coming at the front, they're going to hit these edges, they're going to skip off this light. And people don't think about that. I just had a guy, didn't think it was a big deal. He's okay with the line. Truly, you're knocking down the time of the film if you have an edge out here, because it's exposed to all the elements. If it's underneath, it's not. So your film will get the 10-year plus out of the film. Coming around our fenders like we always show. Fender into the door jamb, door into the door jamb, all the way around the bottom, the rockers all the way under the car, and then these go all the way up inside the car for your step. Taking the belt moldings off, wrapping underneath. A-pillars, same thing. Glass roof, nothing there. And our quarters, all the edges, fully wrapped all the way around, coming into the port for the electrical, all wrapped in. Our hatch, fully wrapped in, into the glass area. Didn't remove the wing. We prefer to leave that there. That wing's a little difficult to remove. We've done it twice. If you need it removed, we can certainly do it, but Tesla wings are not friendly for us. And that's about it, folks. Same thing over on this side, but black car needs the wrap. It just takes on all kinds of scuffs and swirls. We actually had some touch-up done on some of the chips on the front. It only has less than 1,000 miles, and it already took some damage. So there it is, Clearbrook, North Dallas, Tesla Plaid S model, finished up, full wrap and full everything. So any questions, clearbrooknorthdallas.com, or you can reach me at 214-414-3809 extension 0. Thank you.